What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're back at it again with day 3 of the Madam Glam advent calendar unboxing. I did day 1 and day 2 already, so we're on December 3rd and I'm super excited to see what Madam Glam has for us today because this box is bigger than the last 2. So yeah, I'm super excited to open it up. It's like getting a new gift like every day. And it's literally like 5 o'clock in the morning right now, but I don't care. I want to see what's inside this box. I literally just got done editing another video, which we will be doing another giveaway. So make sure you check that video out. But yeah, this is the box for December 3rd. This is super cute. I love the packaging on this one as well. I like the little like side holographic design. I think that's super cute. So yeah, let's open it up. I'm so excited to see what's in here. Ooh, it looks like polygel. I've actually never tried Madam Glam polygel before. So this is exciting. And there's actually 2 polygels in here. This says a true hybrid between hard gel and acrylic. They say Ice Blossom on them. Hold on a second. I believe Ice Blossom is a color. I'm not really sure. I don't know if they're the same or what. But yeah, this is what the bottles look like. And these are 15 milliliter. And they do come like with a seal on them. Let me just go ahead and open it up. That is a nice change from gel polishes all the time. I'm actually excited to try Madam Glam's polygel. Like I said, I've never even tried it before. I'm not sure if this is a clear or what, but I will be doing a swatch for you guys. All right, so I did go ahead and remove the seals on both of these polygels, and they are both clear. So I'm only gonna swatch on one swatch stick today, but it's crazy because I actually did need a clear polygel, so it's really crazy how that worked out. So thank you so much, Madam Glam. I was definitely in need of some clear polygel. But yeah, I always hear a lot of nail YouTubers say how much they like Madam Glam's polygel. So I'm excited to finally get a chance to try it out. I've only ever used their, gel polishes. Never tried the polygels. But yeah, I could see why people say they like them. It's nice and soft and easy to work with. So this is what the clear looks like. It looks really nice and clear. So I'm gonna go ahead and cure it. First, I do want to fix this because I did not realize that that was like that. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and cure it now. So guys, that pretty much concludes December 3rd unboxing for the Madam Glam advent calendar. It was really nice to get the 2 clear polygels. I really like that idea. Madam Glam really outdid themselves this year. So yeah, as always, if you guys are interested in this advent calendar, the links will be down below. It's definitely not too late to treat yourself. And yeah, make sure you check out my discount code. And if you guys are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified when I upload a new video, because I always post nail tutorials and stuff like that and product reviews. So yeah, make sure you hit that bell and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.